In front of me is OnePlus 12R, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Start by opening Play Store and downloading free app called LaunchOS from Launcher Studio. Not sponsored, by the way. When your app is ready, you don't have to open it. You need to exit Play Store and go into Settings. Scroll to Hit Apps. Select the default apps here, and to apply Apple layout, hit Home app and click on Launcher Pro. Now click on Allow All in the pop-up and wait. As you can see, my layout was successfully applied. To make any changes to it, you can always go into Launcher app. And to go back to your default launcher, you can always go back to the same settings to hit System Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!